I am saying that she certainly is contributing to the problem and not to the solution. Hindi lang directly responsible ang isang vice president. Ang sinasabi ko ngayon, dapat back to basics tayo, back to values tayo, no? Back to family tayo. At hindi naman tamang family value yon na ini-encourage mo ang mga anak mo na pag merong kang kalaban, violence ang gagamitin mo. Yun ang default reaction ng ating Vice President. Mag-hire ng assassin, mag-press conference, mag-threaten. That cannot be the leadership example of a high public official. Na yun ang minumultiply sa social media. So yun ang nakikita ng ating kabataan. And we also kailangan rin natin na tignan ang ating justice system, no? Meron bang nako-convict? Meron bang delay in our justice system? Sa ating school curriculum, dapat all of government approach yan. Sa school curriculum natin, binalik ba nila yung good manners and bad conduct, teaching community values, no? Ganon. So, hindi lang ang Vice President ang sinasabi kong responsible. I am saying that she certainly is contributing to the problem and not to the solution.